Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can integrate Beehiiv with WordPress. So first, of course, you have to make sure first that you do have a plan already or your account is already set up so that you will be able to access all of its features and that you won't be missing anything. And so once you're logged in and once you have your plan ready, what you will do is you will go to integrations area and then go ahead and click WordPress and then you will copy API key. And in WordPress, you will click plugins and then you will click add new and you will search Beehiiv and then you will install and then activate. And then you will go to the plugin settings and then you will paste API key and go ahead and click connect and then you will use shortcodes or blocks to embed sign up forms in posts or pages. Then you will test by visiting your site and then you will sign up with a test email and verify it in Beehiiv. And by the way, you will check mobile view and adjust form width if necessary. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.